Of coordinate geometry, you are saying 100 questions are there.
Yeah, yes, sir. Of coordinating geometry.
Okay, fine. Coordinate geometry will start off with 10th CBSE. Coordinate geometry. Objective type will start here. Objective type. Can you see one question you can you send, Javian? Here, see what is happening here. If you send one question, that is better. See, it's coming where I should solve. That's the main thing, no? If you send one
Okay, sir. I'll send you one questions.
or two questions is also fine.
Okay, okay, sir.
See what we have to do right now in first question, children. What we need to do in first question is the distance between all of you find question, children. The distance between point P from origin is very easy question. All of you on the camera, Adarsh.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. See, we are doing a worksheet based on this for coordinate geometry. Okay.
From
See,
which book, sir?
not book. This of this one. Anyone might be school is there. Okay, that.
Alright.
Sir Chaitanya.
So here the distance between the point of -6, 8 from origin. So we should find from 0, 0. I'll just write from this side, that's better. So here 0, 0. And we should take here -6, 8. Okay. So this is x1, y1. All of you find, children, what you are getting the answer?
10.
Answer is 10. Yes, correct. Answer is 10. Everyone got the answer 10?
Yes, sir.
So root over -6 whole square plus 8 square, that is your root over 100. That is answer is 10. Now second question, you see distance of point P from x-axis. On x-axis, your
4
answer,
units.
huh?
4.
4. Okay, now see how 4 is coming. See, the question is like this. 4, 3. It means that 3, 4 means 1, 2, 3. This is 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sir, it's 3.
So this is the point 3, 4. Yeah, it's from x-axis. It's from x-axis. What is the distance of this? It's 4 distance. Drishi, it's 4. Okay. From x-axis, what is the distance of this point? It's 4 units. It's clear. This is the answer for this. Now third one. Distance between point 0, 6 and 0, -2. What will come? Answer is 8. Just check. Root over 6 plus 2 whole square. So answer is 8 square root. Your answer is 8. All of you got the 8 answer for this?
Yes, sir.
Now question number 4. If the center of circle, if the center of the circle is 3, 5 and diameters are 4, 7 and 2, y, then the value of x, value of y you have to find. Means distance between this one and distance between this part. Both are what? Equal. You can find here, right? Both the radius you can find 4, same. It means you can write here 4 minus 3 whole square plus 7 minus 5 whole square is equals to root over. This one you can do 3 minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus y whole square. So 1 square plus 2 square is equals to root you can cancel immediately, no problem. 1 square plus 2 square is equals to 1 square plus 5 plus y whole square. Sorry, 5 minus y whole square. So here 1 square and square you can get cancelled. So 5 minus y whole square is equals to 4. So 5 minus y is equals to plus minus 2. So minus y is equals to what? Minus y is equals to plus 2 minus 5, or minus y is equals to minus 2 minus 5. So answer will be minus y is equals to minus 3. The y is equal to 3. And here y is equals to 7. Minus y is equals to minus 7. The y is equals to 7. So which is the answer over here? Fourth one. 3 and 7 both is given here. So which will be the correct answer? 5 minus, this is plus actually children, this is plus y, not minus, plus y. So plus y is equals to plus 2 minus 5. So this is not possible, minus 3 is not possible. This will be plus 3 is equals to minus 2 minus 5, minus 7. Hey? 1 minute. Once again, I'll solve this one till here. Anyone got the answer for this? Anyone got the answer? So here 1 square plus 2 square is equals to 1 square plus 5. If 5 minus only is here, right? 1 minute. This is 5 minus y only. So 5 minus y whole square. Five minus y whole square is equal to 4. So 5 minus y is equals to minus 2. So minus y is equals to 2 minus 5. So y is equal to 3. And here minus y is equal to minus 2 minus 5. So y is equals to 7. Both answer we are getting here. Which answer is correct over here? Yeah, this both answer will be correct. If you see this one, 4,7 on the number line, if you draw in the number line, if you draw here, what comes? This is 4,7. It comes where? 4,7. It will come somewhere here. 4,7. 3,5 will come somewhere. 3,5 will come somewhere here. And here, next one is what? So this is the center of the circle, and this is circumference. This will come in this way only, right? So next one is y is equal to 2 comma y, 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3 will be somewhere here. And 7 is no chance, right? 7 is not possible, right? 2 comma 7 if you write, this will be not possible. Understood? 7 is coming this side. This is equidistance. This is equidistance, you can say. So your answer is will be what? 3 only. Your answer is 3. It's not 7. Understood why it is happening? See, this is 4,7. And if you write here 2,3, 2,3 will come somewhere here. It should come like this only, children. So the circumference will come like this. If you write 2,7, it will come like this. So this is equidistance, but this is not the diameter. Okay. So for diameter, this should be 2,3. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear how it is happening?
Yes,
Sir.
So answer is here is 2,3. Now question number 5th. You have 10, send Javian one by one. Javian,
So taking pictures, just sending.
which all you sent?
So
You
it's
sent
coming by 4, sir. Is that fine?
yeah, fine.
Okay.
You have not actually 4 you have sent till now. Okay, so this is over now. Only one you sent till
I'm
now.
sending some more. I was clicking pictures. I'm just sending.
Try to send 2 only. Try to send 2.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now next question, question number 5th. The four vertex or the fourth vertex of a D of a parallelogram whose vertices are A, B, C is given. So fourth vertex you should
So
find.
we can do it by taking as x and y, and from the linear equation two variables, we can find the values of x and y.
Anyway, you can do, no problem. Or if you having this one also, right? No, like this also you can guess which all thing will come by the coordinate also. In shortcut, if you draw like coordinate, if you draw here, approximate, you can guess which will be the correct answer. Suppose you are having here -2, 3. The -2, 3 will come here. Okay. Then 6, 7. 6 is here. 7 is somewhere here. 6, 7. And C is AB. C is 8, 3. 8 is here. 8, 3. 8, 3 is here, right? 8, 3. So this is coming like this pattern. So this side you are moving 2. So this side you are moving 2. So -2. How much you are moving? This will come 0. 0, comma. And how much up you are moving here? 4 you are moving up. So it will be -1 will come. So 0, -1. Understood? Hemant, Samarth?
Yeah.
Fifth one is clear. You can draw by like this also. You can draw by this also. Or if you want to draw by formula, that also you can do over here. That is also very easy.
Yes.
That what you should do, this is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. You can just solve completely. I'm just solving over here. 1 minute. I'm just mentioning like shapes. See, this is a parallelogram. Tell me the coordinates. What was there? You know, Samarth.
Yes, sir. -2, 3, 6,
A,
7, and 8, 3.
A is what? From A you tell? Minus?
-2, 3.
-2, 3.
6, 7, B.
6, 7.
And C, I think 8, 3.
So D we should find. X,
Yeah.
Y. See, what we can do here is this midpoint will remain the same. So you can find the midpoint from A to C. What will get midpoint? 8 minus 2, 6 by 2, that is 3. 3 comma, here is the 3 plus 3, 6. 6 by 2 is 3. 3 comma 3 is the midpoint, right? Now what we can get x? You should write here 6, half only is 2. 0, comma, 7 and -1. It will come 3, right? How we are getting 0, comma, understood this part or not?
Yes.
If this is a midpoint, you can write it in other way also. Midpoint is x and y. So what you can do here is, see, if you do by formula, you can do like this: x1 plus x2 divide by 2. Here is x1 plus x2, sorry, y1 plus y2 divide by 2. y1 plus y2 divide by 2. Now x is given to you. What is x? This point, that is 3. 3 is equals to x1. x1 we don't know. Plus x only, right? x2 is 6 divided by 2. So from this you can get x. X is equals to what you get? 0. Again, y, how will get y? Y we can write here 3 is equals to y plus 7 divided by 2. So we'll get y is equals to -1. Is it clear? This is the way you can do. Anyone having doubt in this question, children? Anyone of you having doubt?
No.
No, sir.
Okay, someone is in waiting room. Samarth, Praharshan,
Yes, sir.
Javian, Drishi, Adarsh, all of you on the camera now. Chanchal was also there, no? She left the meeting or what? Hmm.
Sir, can you tell me the answer for 5, 6, and 7?
5, 6, and 7. 1 minute. See, fifth one is 0, comma minus 1.
Okay, sir.
Now sixth one we are doing now. You have sent me that one.
So I've sent you 2 from 7.
1 minute. 4. 6 you have not sent, right? 5, 6.
No, sir. I thought you did 6. You are doing 6. That's why I did not send you 6. I've directly sent you from 7.
Okay, fine, fine. 6 I'll do from here only. Leave. So 6, the question is the point P. Wait, let me erase this part. The point P on x-axis. X-axis means what? X comma 0. Correct?
Yeah, y is the value of y is 0 on that point.
Yeah, is equidistance from point A and B. So equidistance, it means it not the midpoint. Equidistance
Sir,
with
it is
distance you
the
should.
2, 0, sir. A is the correct answer.
Okay, fine. So what you find distance, children? Distance between A to x-axis, A to this one you should find is equals to, what is this? Is equals to B to this. Okay, distance you find both. Then you make it equal and get the value of x, that is 2. Okay.
Sir, we can directly get it by midpoint formula, right?
Midpoint formula you can't use here. When
Sir,
you have done the same mistake before also. You have remembered, Samarth? Midpoint and equidistance both have different things. Okay. Midpoint means on a single line. It's on a collinear, like this is the these two are
they
points.
can be, the equidistant can be on any angle, but the straight line
Yes.
must be on 180 degrees.
Yeah. Same mistake you have done last time. Okay. So this
Yeah.
So this point can be anywhere. So you should find the distance formula between these two, not the midpoint. Okay.
Alright.
So you find by midpoint, Samarth, this question?
Sir?
You find by midpoint 2, 0 or by some other method?
Yeah, I found the midpoint.
Okay. Now all of you find, children, question number 6, what you're getting the answer? Distance between this and this is x plus 1 whole square is equals to x minus 5 whole square. So this will get cancelled.
Here we can use midpoint, right? In this question.
This
Because
question.
there is no value of y, so they will they're compulsory to lie on a single line x-axis. So we can directly use midpoint.
X-axis means it very this point is where? Suppose I'm just drawing here. Minus 1, 0 will come. It will come minus 1, 0 is here. And 5, 0. Where is 5, 0? 5, 0 will be here. And x, here you can use. In this particular question you can use, but you should check. In this particular question you can use the mid formula, but not all the questions, remember, okay? By luckily you are getting, this is on x-axis only, because this point is also in x-axis, this point is also on x-axis. So all the 3 points on x-axis, so you can use the midpoint formula. That is answer is what?
2,
2, 0 is the right answer. Correct. Now question number 7 will start off. Question number 7. Javian on the camera. I'll just wait for 2 minutes, children. Now I'll just remove children. Remember that within 2 minutes. Every time I should repeat again and again. Now question number, copy, and same thing I'm doing over here.
So I'm sending you the pic, so that's why my cam is off.
Okay, fine. So see, seventh question is, if the point P, k comma 0 divides the line segment joining the points A and B in the ratio 1:2, then find the value of k. This is this one section formula, children. We have to use section formula over here. Okay.
Sir, -1.
-1. Okay. Anyone else? See, this is the line segment over here. A, that is your 2 comma -2 and -7 comma 4. This is the ratio 1:2. And P point is, this is k comma 0. So this is the easiest question, right? So k comma 0, this is a point P is k comma 0. So directly you can find x, that is k is equals to, what is the formula here? -1 into -7, -7 and 2 into
So the answer is
2
-1 and 0.
plus 4 divided by 3. So -3 by 3. The answer is -1. K value is what? -1, no? Sir.
Yeah.
Praharshan, you were saying 1 or -1?
-1.
Okay. Anyone having doubt in this? -1? Adarsh, do you know this? Adarsh. Adarsh, do you know this or not? You are getting this point? Now next, question number 8 you see now. If the points A, B are on the circle with center O 2, 3, then the value of x.
We can do it by taking the radius as the distance between 2, 3 and 4, 3 is same. Hence, the distance between 2, 3 and x, 5 will also be same. So we can find it from there by distance formula.
So what is the answer for this?
We calculate.
Center is 2, 3. If this is the thing, 2, 3 means 1, 2. 2, 3 will come somewhere here. Then 4, 3. Four, 3 will be somewhere here. 4, 3. So this side is like, 4, 3. So this will come this side, correct? 4, 3 will be here only. 2, 3 is 2, 3 is the center. A point is 4, 3. 4, 3. So this will come this side only. 2 steps this side, the 0, comma. But why? B is how x, 5. If the points A and B are on the circle, acha, on the circle they are saying, on the circle, okay. So 5 will come somewhere here, right?
The value of x is 2, say. C is the
Y,
correct answer.
see, y is 5. It means here is 3, 4, 5 is the here. What will come?
2, sir. 2 is the correct answer. C.
2, 5.
Yes.
2, 5. Up. Here 2 only is coming. So this will be the answer, right?
Yes.
You can find by other distance formula also. This to
But I
this.
found only by distance formula.
Distance formula we can use. We'll get answer as 2. So
Okay.
here this is not the diameter. Remember, children, this is not the diameter. If diameter is there, so for sure this is 0, 3 only. This is 0, 3 only. If it is a diameter. Okay, this point will be what? 0, 3. It's not anything. Okay. But since this is not a diameter, this is equidistance. So we are finding here what? 0, 3. Sorry, finding the 2, 3 over here. If this is a center and these both are what? the coordinates of diameter. In that case, your answer is will be what? 0. Okay. 0,3. Next question number 9th. Centroid you are not having, leave this children. Don't do this right now. Centroid of a triangle is not there for you.
Yes, sir. The centroid is deleted, I think. The area of the triangle is also.
No, centroid of a triangle, normal area you may have, but centroid and all you are not having with you right now. Okay.
Yes.
Now next question is 7th over. Then, hey, what you have sent? Javian, you have to rotate this. Javian,
Yes, sir.
you have to rotate this 8th, 9th, 10th. You have sent vertically.
Okay, sir. I'll just rotate them.
If I copy, can we rotate in OneNote?
Yeah, we can rotate.
Can we rotate in OneNote?
Think so, sir.
I don't think we can rotate here.
I have never tried.
Huh?
I had never tried.
Wait. Then shapes, yeah. Rotation part is there or no? I don't
Sir,
know.
I sent you. I sent you, sir.
Okay. All text save as delete. Okay, let me check.
So at the last year was the option.
11th, 12th you have sent. Right now you sent that one. 10th one. Acha,
Yes, sir.
okay, fine. Copy and here. You crop that much only, Javian. If you then it's difficult to write over here. If you crop that much, that is better.
So I'm cropping, and only sending, sir.
8th we can't see only. See. If the point this 8th we have solved, no 8th, 9th, 10th is there now. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 8th now is clear. 8th and 9th. Now see, question number 10th. The distance of a point P.
So what is for the 9th one, sir?
Centroid of a triangle. Centroid you should find here. Centroid, you know what is meant by centroid?
Yes, sir.
What is centroid?
The triangle has the altitude of 2 is
So
to 1.
where the three altitudes of the triangle meet, and inside the triangle, it is the center.
This one is altitude is meeting, right?
Yeah. That's
So the center of the triangle.
Center of this one, not center exactly. This will divide into 2:1 ratio, right?
Yeah.
So your ratio.
This is deleted, right?
Yeah, this is not there.
Okay, sir.
Question number 10th is the distance of a point x comma y from origin. Origin is 0, 0. The distance, this is very easy. So this is x square plus y square, right?
Yes, sir.
Everyone knows that x comma y. 10th question we have done. Now 11 and 12th. We are doing now 11th and 12th. All of you tell the answer for 11th and 12th. Okay. Yeah, tell me the answer to the 11th one. The point 3, 0, 6, 4, -1, 3 are the vertices of an equilateral, scalene, and isosceles, or a right angle isosceles triangle. So what you should do is This is A, this is B, this is C. The first of all, you find AB, then you find BC, then you find CA. Okay. All of you find and tell me what is the answer for this. 3 plus 1, 4 square. And 0 minus 3. Minus 3 square. So we'll get here 16 and 9, 25. Your answer is 5 units for A to B. Now B to C is what? 7 square plus 1 square. That will be 49, 50, root over 50. So 5 root 2. And CA is also coming 25, I think. Or this is the A to C, right? The 4 square and plus 3 square.
Isosceles.
This is also 5.
Isosceles and right angle.
Right angle also, right?
Yeah.
This will be this right angle triangle. If this is 5 and 5, this will be 5 root 2. Children, so don't do isosceles. They'll get confusion. If isosceles triangle is coming, you check for right angle triangle also. Okay.
Yeah.
So in this case, what happened? Isosceles is also correct, but better than this is right angle isosceles. Okay.
Yeah.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
So answer is right angled isosceles triangle. Because if you solve this, you'll get the same answer. Now all of you do question number 12th. 12th one. Now you find. What are the coordinates of the point where the line this cuts the x-axis? What do you mean by cuts the x-axis? What do you mean by cuts the x-axis, children?
C is the correct answer, sir.
C, you are saying C is the correct answer?
Yeah, C is the correct answer.
Okay, what do you mean by cuts the x-axis? First, you tell me what do you mean by cuts the x-axis?
It crosses the x-axis or it touches the x-axis on that point.
Cuts the x-axis means your coordinate should be x comma 0, correct?
Yes.
So your first and A will be directly cancelled, right?
Yeah.
This will never be possible, right?
Yes.
Okay. Next, how actually you told this C is the correct option and this is not? How?
Sir, I just put the options.
If you put the option, what do you get? If you put here 3 by 2, so 2 into 3 by 2 minus 3 into 0 is equals to, sorry, 2 into 3 by 2 minus 0 is equals to 5. So this is coming 3 is equal to 5 is coming now here.
Yeah, we have done B, right?
Here this will come 5 comma 2. Yeah, this is correct option. The option C is correct. Now till here, anyone having doubt till 12th question?
No, sir.
So let me remove few people now. 100% few people not be there.
Sir, is it okay if I don't on my camera today?
No. Every day you'll off the camera. So today I'll remove right now directly. Not is it okay?
Sir, like I have to go to another place and come. Like I'm having a throat problem today.
Hey, no throat, no problem. You should,
Sir,
you should-
really, sir, I can get you I can get you the tablets as well, so you can start them.
hey, who is shouting like that, man?
Sir,
You are
my brother.
Praharshan, you are not a Prabhuji over here. You should speak all the time. Your threat is problem, not a thing, not a problem at all. And Javian is sending, okay, fine. Very less people joined. Hey, Rishi, when you on the camera? Suddenly.
since like past 10-20 minutes.
10-20 minutes. Fine. So now question number 11, 12 got over. Then 13, 14. Now the system hang ho raha hai. This
So,
हाँ.
I've sent you till 35, sir. Then
Hey,
there
no
are
problem.
2 case studies. There are
Okay.
3 case study wala, sir. So if I send that separate, that will be all confusing, sir.
Acha, acha, okay, fine. So anyway, the screen has stopped sharing. Acha, okay. So OneNote is gone.
Sir, I have a PDF of nearly 300 questions. I sent.
So you send not to me. Why you're not sending? Keep on sending.
Yeah, all the time.
Mm. What I'll do, no, I'll make one video and put in the chat box. Directly you can see all the 300 videos if you want. Okay. Every day I'll send 50 questions. That is fine.
Sir, I don't think we'll have the time to solve all of them. Sir, I don't think time would be sufficient to solve all of them.
Here we can't do. I can do it separately. I can take and just upload to this chat box directly. You can watch whenever you have time. That can be done. All is not possible. That's right. That's true. If you help you out, then we can finish all the 300 sums.
Sir, it's not actually 300 questions. It's 300 pages.
300
It's
pages.
more-
Only one
Yeah.
chapter or a whole chapter is 300 pages?
All chapters. Each chapter contains 100 questions. 199.
Okay, these all are CBSE board questions only. What you having?
Yeah, all are CBSE board.
Okay,
From
that.
last years are also there included.
So
Sir,
can you?
I have like 900 questions to solve, sir.
Okay, all the questions, right?
Yes, sir. The entire textbook contains 900 questions.
You are having when you are having exam, children, CBSE board exam, when you are having?
Sir, it is
November.
on mid-November.
Mid-November. So shall we do all 900 sums immediate? Means patapat we do only objective type questions. If that will be better, then we do. So that we'll get out. Can we
Yes,
do?
sir, we can do that.
900 is not a big deal. 900 we can do easily.
The 900, it will just take nearly 15 days. It will be over.
So one day we'll try to finish 30 questions one day. Okay. Try to
Sir,
do.
if
Okay,
we
sir.
will one day cover 30 questions only, then it will take more than a month.
Yeah, 30 days it will take. Exactly 30 days.
And we have alternate days, right? So how can it will take 2 months in total.
So this is September only, right? So not
Yeah.
all questions. Few questions will be easy. Means we'll just skip off the questions. Not a problem. 900
Sir,
questions means
plus
around.
like few answer plus few topics are deleted also from that. So we can leave those questions also.
Sir, one thing you can do, sir, please send it on WhatsApp. Sir, you can please send it on WhatsApp. We can do it by ourselves. If we get any doubt, we'll ask you.
Few questions we do here and few questions we do on WhatsApp. Okay, that can be done.
Questions you
Can you
will do
send it on a PDF format?
Okay, that is better.
Sir, can you send it on a PDF format?
Which one?
The questions, like the whole entire thing.
Yeah, simply I should solve on the notepad. Here OneNote only and convert into PDF and send that. I can do if you want.
Sir, like there are 900 questions, right? So like one question, 900 picks. I don't think we'll be able to do it. So it's like
Sir,
directly.
mine one is in the form of a PDF.
See, I'm not
300.
saying ki all the 900 so some I'll send at a time. Suppose how much I'll solve, that much I solve, I'll send at a time. Or if people also solve, give homework like that. So all of us together will solve and send together, like 30 question, we bifurcate and solve and send. Like that we can do. That is better option, right?
Yeah, that's better.
Or 10 questions we divide among everyone, like Samarth, Praharshan, Javian, Drishi, me, Chanchal, all 10 questions will solve. Okay. And together all which who will have doubt and all will come with all the doubts will clarify one day. That is better. Correct?
Wow.
No? Huh? Each day only 10 sums
Yes.
you do. That is better. Each day 10.
Yeah.
Each day 10 sums. So in 2 days, if 6 people are solving, they become 120 questions in 2 days itself. And when my class will there, then we just clarify all the doubts. That is a better option, I believe. I think that is better option.
Yeah, that's the best option. Yeah.
So
Sir, I
first,
have a doubt in triangles.
triangles. See what is there now. If you have doubt in triangles, if you solve only 20 sums based on triangles, now your doubt completely will get cleared. All doubt cleared if you do 20 sums based on that.
Sir, my pre-boards are gonna be till October end from tomorrow, sir. So I don't know if I'll be able to join the classes or do the sums.
Okay, just you can see the online videos if you get time anyway. And what we do now, only 10 questions. Everyone is ready to do 10 questions. But
Yes,
who? But who will send
Yes,
all
sir.
900 sums? That is the main thing. Who will send the 900 sums to us? Who will
Sir,
send?
900 sums. Taking the pics is too much.
Sir, just
So
Google.
I can try, sir. I can
No,
try
don't-
sending you the 900 pics.
Not 900 pics. You only 10 pics you send to everyone. Like that you can send.
Sir, better option.
Sir,
Why don't we just like search the name in the Google and download that PDF and we can solve our
That
questions.
that
Javin,
PDF
you
is going to be available, no?
Sir, we can pirate it.
Where you got
No.
Samarth, which somewhere you got, no, some coaching center you got that 900
Sir,
questions, right?
I sir, our school people gave it. You can also get it from online. I have the I all have in a PDF form. You can also solve in the PDF by editing it. It's
You can download it from net only.
I can send you. It will just 15 MB.
Okay, send me right now only. Let me check.
Yes, sir. Just a second.
And no need to send a pic and all. I will just do that. I will just crop it, paste.
No need to crop, sir. It's already in the format, sir. In the question format.
Okay, fine. Send me that PDF right now. I'll give homework to everyone. Send me that PDF right now. Send that PDF.
Papa any word.
We'll plan accordingly to do all those sums. At least if we, how many chapters are coming in this first test? 9 chapters.
Yes, sir.
9 chapters. Each chapter will do 100 questions. That is better.
No, sir. Actually, it is 8 chapters.
Acha, 8 chapters.
Introduction to trigonometry, coordinate geometry, triangles, probability, polynomials, pair of linear equations in 2 variables, area related to circles, and real numbers.
Okay, fine. I think 890 sums so much. Now, if you do 100 sums, no, all will repeat 2 times, 100%. Same type question will repeat it 2 to 3 times.
Yes, sir. So I even have board sample papers, sir.
10th B. Who sent this document? Samarth, you have sent?
Yes, sir. I sent.
Okay. Term 1. So real numbers 119. So which one we should start? We start from which chapter? I think
Sir, real numbers I have completed totals. We will start from polynomials.
Okay. Or which is easy chapter? We can start from polynomials only. 148 page.
Yeah.
Sir, there is a question. I have a doubt on the triangles.
Which question you are having doubt?
Sir, like triangle ABC is a right angle. Wait, triangle ABC is right triangle.
You are asking about the trigonometry?
It's a triangle chapter, sir.
1 minute. You want me to solve? Or you can send me on WhatsApp? No, that option is there, but your children are not sending those things.
Sir, I just got it like right now.
Right now, just now you got.
Yes.
1 minute. Okay, you send me Praharshan that question. Let me decide right now for polynomials. 1 to 10, who will solve and will just send me back? Only you should
1
send me.
to, sir, 1 to 30 done. 1 to 25 done. It's already done.
Polynomials, I'm asking.
Yeah, polynomial.
Not you, I'm
1 to
just
25.
asking about from these children. Who wants you can see from the this one right now in the foundation class 10th. From 1 to 10, who want to total? How many questions are there in polynomials?
So you can go to the last set. Check it from there.
There are 148 sums. Okay. 148 sums are there. So total right now, how many others you can do those sums? Answer is also given. You can just check it out. And suppose in 10 questions, which are sums is hard. Okay. That one you should make a tick. We'll solve in the class also. Not a problem. Okay. So 1 to 10. Can you do others? 1 to 10 of polynomials?
I did not see the paper, sir.
See or not, you try.
Okay, sir.
Okay, others is do 1 to 10. Now 11 to 20, who will do? 11 to 20. Rasool, Javian, Praharshan, who will do 11 to 20?
I can do so 11 to 20.
Okay, Javian is 11 to 20. Now 21 to 30. 21 to 30.
Sir, I will do 21 to 50, sir. I will complete it.
21 to 50, 50.
Yeah.
Okay. So 1 to 10 is Adarsh. 11 to 20 is Javian. Then 21 to 50 is Samarth. Then 51 to 60.
Sir, I will do it.
Okay, 51 to 60, Rasool. If you want to increase, you can increase, not a problem. And children, solving is not a big deal. Suppose you are solving 30 questions. No, out of 30 questions, which are the challenging questions that you should tell me. Okay. And you should tell me tomorrow before evening only. Tomorrow only you can just
Sir,
do.
there won't be any doubts, right? Because the solutions are given at the links below. You can see the pink color links.
Yeah,
Those
links
are
are
the
there.
solutions.
Yeah, links are there. Means you people, means suppose all children will not get all the answers. No, by seeing the answers also. Right. By seeing also, it's not easy to trace it out. Suppose you need to see the answer. In that case, I'm saying that is hard for you, right?
Yeah.
If you are not able to solve the question, you need to see the solution. It means that the question is hard for you. So in that case, I'm saying out of 10 questions, you are feeling 3 questions are hard. You make a point on it, then we will solve in the class. That I'm saying, okay?
Okay.
So 51 to 60, Rasool will do. Praharshan, what about you?
Sir, I can do anything. Sir, I don't know if I'll have time. That's the problem.
Actually, you don't know whether you can do it or not. Doubt is there.
Sir, like tomorrow. No, sir, the time is not there. That's the problem.
10 questions will take maximum 15 to 20 minutes.
10 questions, I'll do it.
So your question is from 61 to 70. You can write it down. Polynomials part we are talking about.
Okay.
61 to 70. Okay.
Sir, I sent you the pic on WhatsApp.
What will send the pic?
The question I had.
Which pic you want? You will want to send me pic.
Sir, I sent it to you.
Which pic you have sent to me? Acha. Okay, this one. Okay, fine. Let me discuss first. Then who is there? Nobody is there now. Everyone left for the day. Drishi Chanchal has left. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Praharshan, Rasool, Adarsh, Samarth. Teja, you want to do? I don't know what you will do. Teja. Okay, anyway, till 70, anyway, over, no? Till 70, right?
Yeah.
You understood till 70, who and all will do? And what he is sending right now, ABC is right angle triangle. Okay, let me see the Praharshans, this one. What he's asking right now. So remember, children, tomorrow before evening only, before start the class of science, okay, you need to send me, solve the questions and send me back this thing, which all questions you are having doubt, okay, so that I'll plan accordingly. I'll plan the sense, I'll put.
We will send the solutions by screenshots, right? Sir,
Screenshot.
I am directly doing it in the PDF, right, by editing it. So
I should
I send it
you
by
directly do in
screenshot.
PDF.
Yeah, I am doing it directly in PDF by editing it and just taking the answer.
Praharshan, can you send it correctly? This is ulta you have sent. This one screenshot is like it's not correctly. It's coming in some awkward. Praharshan,
Okay, sir, just a minute.
just rotate it and send me back.
Sir, now.
And now it's came correctly. 1 minute. You can see this, right? 1 minute. See, the question is like ABC is a right angle triangle. A right angle at A, AD is perpendicular to BC. If AB is equals to what given? C, right? AB is equals to C, AC is equals to B, then AD is equal to AD. This height they're asking. So this you understood, this whole thing will be like B square plus C square, right? This whole thing, correct? Praharshan?
Sir, are you sharing your screen?
Oh, 1 minute. It's easy question, Praharshan. This is like a trigonometry also is there, you can use. So this will be like, ABC is right angle triangle, right angle at A, and AD is perpendicular to BC. If now see here, this is nothing but if this angle you're talking about. So we have to find AD, right? So AD, 1 minute, this is the angle. So this whole part is B square plus C square. AD is equals to. Nice question. This question is very nice. This angle is not known. This angle is not required only. This is triangle thing, right? This B to C we got to know. B to C is B square plus C square.
We can use the 6.8 or 6.9 theorem. 6.789. The three would be used.
So this one you should find area of the triangle. Area of the triangle we can find in that way. So area of the triangle is half base into height, right? So half B into C is equals to half base is root over B square plus C square and height is AD. So half cancelled. AD is equals to BC divided by root over B square plus C square. Answer is this one. Praharshan?
Sir, answer is A. Sir.
Yes.
Sir, answer is A.
Answer A, not B. Yeah, correct. Answer is A. So it's very easy. Actually, this looks complicated, but it's easy. See, what we have done, this is right angle triangle. Now, to half base into height I've taken. In first case, what I'm doing here, this is the base and this is the height. Okay. In second case, what I'm doing is this become base and this is the height. So in that way, I've done here half base into height is equals to half base into height. So AD is equals to BC divided by this one. Nice question this was. It's clear, Praharshan?
Yes, sir.
You might be knowing from before or really means now it got cleared.
Sir, like now it got cleared.
Acha. Any more doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, children, just solve and send me tomorrow. Okay. Thank you all.
All right.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, children. Bye. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.